Hello and welcome. My name is Jonathan Lombardi. I'm the founder of Virtuous Insurance Planning, and I appreciate your interest in looking at your group benefit options with us. This presentation is our process for generating group health plan quotes. I want to walk you through the reasons why we do what we do. So in our process, we'd like to speak with you in person or over the phone to learn more about your situation. Obviously, knowing about your current coverage and what areas you'd like to improve in, such as costs, lower deductibles, more benefits, even better networks, is an important thing for us and you. It's very important to us that we're exceeding your expectations and meet all the needs of your business and your employees' needs as well. From there, what we do is we leave you what's called a group member census form for your business, which we'll explain a little bit more in detail. Once you fill it out and email it back to us, we will have the necessary information that we need in order to give you accurate quotes. Then we will review the options with you to make sure it puts your company in a better position, and we can tailor the plans for your needs from there. There's literally unlimited customization, so we're here to make this an easy and quick process for you, and obviously we want it to be profitable for you and your employees. What factors affect pricing? Well, the size of your group, of your company, and also how many people opt in to get the coverage can affect your pricing. The more people that opt in, the lower the cost is for the overall group. The overall age of the group can also affect pricing. Obviously, the younger the group is, the lower the cost is. The genders of those who are in the group affects pricing. The zip codes of those that are part of the group. In other words, wherever you live can affect pricing based on plan networks for different carriers. Different carriers obviously have different pricing, which is why we shop them for you. We're an independent broker agency. If your group has 5 or more full-time employees, you can opt in for the level funding plans. These plans are medically underwritten and can lower the cost of the insurance up to 20%. Those are all major factors there that can affect pricing. So why do we ask for the information that we do on the group census form? Well, our first priority is to get you accurate information. As business owners, we understand the important balance between the cost of insurance, the benefits we provide for ourselves and our employees. We want to make this a quick and easy process for you. That's why we ask for this information. Incorrect or incomplete information slows down our ability to quote rates for you. Then lastly, we want to tailor the product for your needs, whatever those are. So the group member census form, I just want to break down the different categories here. Why do we ask for the names of all the employees? Well, this helps us identify each person's cost in the quote, and you as well. So when you get the quote, you'll see their names and how much it costs for each individual. Also, if the health plan is a good fit for you, then this information is necessary per government guidelines, and the employee would be able to opt in because they're actually listed on the group. So why do we ask for the zip code of each household? We briefly covered that, but plan networks and costs vary by zip code. This helps us find the most accurate and best pricing for you. Why do we ask for the date of birth for each person? Well, it's true, we can get you a quote with just the age of each person. We cannot get you an accurate quote unless we know the actual date of birth of each person. The price for the group will vary based on when people's date of births are. We ask for it to give you the most accurate pricing, and also to move forward, government regulations do require us to list this. Some more information on the group census form. So why do we ask about gender? We briefly mentioned this, but rates vary greatly based off if the employee or the dependents are male or female. Is it important to list people that are not going to get coverage? Yes, for 2 reasons. First, if they have a life-changing event and want to opt in at a later time, they would already be able to without having to go through a lot of additional paperwork because they're already listed as part of the group. Secondly, pricing is always better the more people that are on a group plan. By listing everyone, this allows us to quote you the price if everyone opts in and compare it to what it would be if only some do. Also, to qualify for coverage, an employee has to be a full-time 30-hour or more a week employee. That's a government regulation. Now, it is very important that we know who the primary subscriber / employee for each family is. This determines the cost for the group. This is why it's listed this way on the census form. So who's eligible for group insurance? Well, any company with one or more full-time employees is eligible for group insurance. In order to write a group plan, at least one full-time employee has to opt into that group plan. We can underwrite a group that has owners who want to opt out of the coverage and just want to have the group insurance for their employees. However, we cannot write a group that, let's say, has one full-time employee and the owner, and just the owner opts in and not the employee. One full-time employee has to opt into a group insurance plan in order to write a group insurance plan. Business owners with no employees do not qualify for traditional group coverage. However, we can shop private insurance companies or the Affordable Care Act plans for these types of situations to ensure you have the coverage that you're interested in at the most competitive rates. That's something else that we do. What types of products are available for groups? Well, there's health insurance, obviously. That's the one we all think of. There's dental insurance. There's vision insurance. We can do disability, short-term and long-term. Life insurance can be set up for groups. There's also critical illness policies such as heart, stroke, and cancer policies for groups. And we can even do investment products if the company is interested in something down that arena. So how do you start the process? Well, you give us a call at 833-847-7526, which is 833-VIP plan. You can certainly visit us at our website, vipinsuranceplans.com, and click on Get a Quote under Group Insurance. There's another link that you can go to, which is viphealthinsurancequote.com/save on group insurance. Or lastly, you can just shoot us an email, info@vipinsuranceplans.com. Let us know that you're interested in a free group insurance consultation. Really appreciate you going through this presentation, and thank you for considering us. My name is Jonathan Lombardi. I'm the founder of Virtuous Insurance Planning and a licensed agent. My contact information is on the screen. Our team at Virtuous Insurance Planning looks forward to helping you, your company, and your employees throughout this process. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.